The maintenance of fire alarm systems involves several key aspects, including planning, execution, and documentation. Teletek Cloud is designed to enhance the entire maintenance and troubleshooting process in an innovative way, saving valuable time and effort for the system maintainers. Visiting a site for maintenance only to discover you're unprepared for a specific issue can be frustrating. For example, a particular smoke detector may be polluted and need cleaning or replacement. Such situation can disrupt your schedule and even require a second visit to complete the task. Teletek Cloud provides full remote access to the system status, offering vital information that helps you prepare effectively for upcoming maintenance visits. The application can even display pollution levels for each smoke detector, an indicator that specific device may need attention. With the power of a mobile app, technicians can remotely manage test modes, monitor device performance in real time, and streamline the entire process, making maintenance faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Maintainers can use the TeletekPRO mobile application to manage the on-site maintenance process without needing physical access to the control panel. You can choose to place only part of the system in test mode or the entire system. Every tested device is immediately added to a list of tested devices, allowing you to confirm the successful operation of each unit in real time. One of the most time-consuming parts of the maintenance process is not the testing itself, but the preparation of documentation required by building owners and regulation authorities, also known as the maintenance report. With Teletek Cloud, this process is now easier than ever. Generating a maintenance report in PDF format takes just a few clicks and includes all vital information and details. You can choose to generate the report during the site visit or once you are back at the office.